Hey guys, and this is the iPhone Ultra plastic mock-up. And this time we went to the Apple store to compare it with the iPhone 17 series and iPhone Air. And guys, this device is gonna sell like hotcakes. So again, we have a small and short passport style form factor, more like a square shaped device when folded, and the rear design is clearly inspired by the iPhone Air. We have a pill shaped camera module, dual cameras, flash and a mic. Size comparison with the 6.9-inch iPhone 17 Pro Max, definitely small and shorter. Here's 6.3-inch 17 Pro, 6.5-inch iPhone Air and 6.3-inch iPhone 17. So definitely a little wider but easily reachable with one hand. I had no issues holding the iPhone Fold plastic mock-up and I love the overall design of this device. In terms of the design, we have a sharp and flat edge side where the hinge is and rounded corners on the other side. So two different design styles into a single device. This is a better form factor for playing games and watching movies without massive annoying black borders. This I guess is a 4:3 or 5:3 aspect ratio. Can use it horizontally or vertically, however you want. Here's the 6.9-inch iPhone side by side, and the iPhone Fold is shorter, wider when folded, but when unfolded it's slimmer and taller. Yeah, of course dimensions can still change before launch, but if this mock-up is anywhere close to the final product, then we already have a good idea of what Apple's foldable iPhone could feel in hand compared to the standard iPhone.
My new jacket! Earth can be a little seedy. Nothing weird going on here.
The iPhone Ultra will be powered by Apple's A20 Bionic chipset based on 2nm TSMC process. It may have a 5800 mAh massive battery with 45 watts of fast charging, 48 megapixel dual main cameras, iOS 27 out of the box with new Siri and AI features baked in, and all the highest end specifications. Now here's the Samsung Z Fold 8 wide in comparison, and both phones are actually very similar in the overall size. Samsung however does look a bit more symmetrical because it keeps that boxy shape all around with symmetrical bezels on the front, while Apple's design is a mix of sharp edges with softer curves. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe and peace out.